How to recover H&R Block account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. Search for hrblock.com. So in this web page at the very top you will see the sign in option. So first and foremost you have to go ahead and tap on the sign in option. Then select the option of forgot username or forgot password. Once you tap on the option, you will receive a link on your email address. From there you can actually go ahead and recover your H&R Block account. If that process does not help you, try these steps that I'm going to tell you. At the side on your screen, you will see a toll-free number under Call Us At. So this is actually the customer service number of H&R Block. You can easily call up this number and follow the instruction that the agent provides to you. You can also locate the nearby office of H&R and easily contact with the agent that will help you with the recover process. If you select online, you can tap on online help and support. In the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for recover account and give it a search. It will provide you some of the articles that will help you to recover your H&R Block account. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.